Everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Hub. If you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and click the bell icon. In the previous video we have discussed about different types of charts, okay, and its subtypes. Today we will learn how to create a chart and more other functions we will learn related to it. So first thing is how to create a chart. फॉर दैट टू मेथड्स आर देयर. हमारे पास दो मेथड होते हैं चार्ट क्रिएट करने के लिए. फर्स्ट मेथड इज़ बाय यूजिंग द शॉर्टकट की. सो शॉर्टकट कीज़ आर Alt plus F1 or F11 key. Generally we use F11 key from the keyboard. First thing is you have to create the table. After creating the table you have to click on F11 key, then your chart will be created automatically. Okay, Excel will choose the type of the chart on its own. You cannot select the type, that which type you want in case of shortcut method. Then second method is related to some steps. Here we have to follow certain steps. So what are those steps? First thing is you have to create the table. After creating the table, you have to click on Insert tab. After that, you can see here different types of charts are there. From here, you can choose any type that you want. After selecting the type, again subtypes will appear. From here, you can choose a subtype. As soon as you will choose a subtype, your chart will be created. Here you can see. But one more thing is there. By default, your tabs are till view. You can see tabs are till view. But when you will create any object, when you will create the chart, at the time, 3 more tabs will appear on your screen. You can see Design, Layout and Format tab. Automatically 3 more tabs will appear in the ribbon, and all these 3 tabs are related to different options in the chart. So let us see. First thing is how to change the chart type. अब by mistake I created the column chart. मैंने by mistake एक column chart create कर दिया है. अब इसकी जगह मुझको pie chart बनाना है. Then how can I change the chart type? First thing is you have to click on the chart. After click on the chart, you have to click on Design tab. After clicking on Design tab, here one option will appear, Change chart type. We will click here on Change chart type. After clicking here, you can see one dialog box will appear on your screen. Here again you can see different types of charts. From here I want pie chart, so I will select it. From here I will choose its subtype and then OK. So automatically your column chart will be converted to pie chart or any other chart that you want. Then one more thing is there. If I don't like this chart type and I want to change the type, I want to change this style. Okay, so how to change the style? For that again you have to click here on the chart. We will click. After clicking here, again we have to click on Design tab. When we will click here, you can see different styles will appear. From here you can choose, and if you want more, then one more option is there. Here one arrow will appear. You have to click on that arrow. When you will click here, you can see different types will appear. From here you can choose any type that you want. As soon as you will select the required style, your chart will be created. Then next is about changing data or text in chart. So remember one thing, chart and table, your data, they are interrelated to each other. They are connected to each other. बिकॉज जो भी हमने चार्ट बनाया है किसका बनाया है, टेबल का बनाया है. तो अगर हम टेबल में कोई भी चेंज करेंगे, कोई भी वैल्यू चेंज कर रहे हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली दैट चेंज विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इन अवर चार्ट ऑल्सो. चार्ट में भी वो चेंजेस हो जाएंगे। अगर हमने कोई भी कॉलम डिलीट कर दिया है टेबल में से तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारे चार्ट में से भी वो कॉलम डिलीट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर, दे आर इंटर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. Then next thing that you have to learn is resizing and moving the charts. So first thing is how to resize the chart. For that you have to do one thing. You have to place the cursor here in the corner, right bottom corner. When you will place the cursor here, your cursor will appear like this. When your cursor will appear like this, at the time you can drag it outwards if you want to increase the size, and if you want to decrease the size then drag it inwards. It is up to you. You want to increase the size or you want to decrease the size. Then next is how to move the chart. Okay, for that you have to do one thing. You have to place here on the top left corner, you have to place the cursor here. When you will place the cursor here, it will appear like this. When it will appear like this, click here and drag it where you want to shift, where you want to move, left hand side, right hand side, that is up to you. Then the last topic of this chapter is printing a chart. How to take the print of the chart. For that again you have to follow certain steps. First thing is you have to select the chart. I want printout of this chart. I have selected this. After this I have to click on office button. After clicking on office button, from here I have to choose print option. After clicking here, again I have to choose print option from here. Then when I will click on print, one dialog box will appear and here you have to click on OK. You can take the printout of that chart by using all these steps.